Mga bagay na kailangan mong ihanda kapag first time kang kukuha ng property. So good day everyone, this is Joe Armenta, your ahente next door, and today, pag-uusapan natin yung mga basic things na kailangan mong i-prepare kapag kukuha ka ng property, either bahay, lupa, or condo. Number one natin dyan is the proof of identity. Usually, hihingan tayo ni developer ng 2 valid government IDs. Second naman natin ay yung proof of billing address. Usually, yung mga utility bill natin yung ginagamit dyan, like the water and electric bill. Then number 3, ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat, is the proof of income. Dito magbe-base kasi si developer kung kaya nyong i-sustain yung monthly payment for that property. It is also the basis kung pasok ba kayo sa required income para ma-avail yung property na yon.